Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the JBL Tune 770 NC with the Sony 520 and what are the main differences regarding the specs. So first thing first, the Tune is got more weight comparing to Sony, so Sony is better in this regard. Driver side is better for JBL, and then the frequency is the same, impedance is better for JBL. Then you're gonna have the sound technology. They got different sound technology, so I can't really say that which one is better or no. So I would go like with die. Noise cancelling, you're gonna have better with NC because you actually have the noise cancelling there. Then you're gonna have the battery life is going to be better for the JBL. You have better quick charge. You have better Bluetooth even 5.3 comparing to 5.2. Then you're gonna have also the type for the voice assistant integration and additional features. You're gonna have more features for the JBL. Now, when we look here on it, so what are the benefits of Sony is that yes, you are going to have a lower weight, but other than that, when you're gonna look here for the features and everything, the JBL Tune 770 NC is just better in this regard. So that was a quick video for you if you're deciding between these two products. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.